Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Xampp on your Linux machine. So we can say that Xampp is a tool to set up a web server locally. For example, before uploading any web applications live, we can use Xampp as the local server to check whether all the codes that we have written to make the applications or all the features that we have initiated in the applications are working perfectly or not. So in that case, we can check in the Xampp local server whether everything is correct or not before uploading it directly. So if you are into installation of Xampp, I hope you all know what Xampp is. So with this, let's welcome you all to backend development and let's get started. So at first I'll go to the browser here and write download Xampp in the browser, and this will bring you to a page which says download Xampp Apache Frames. So let's click here and see what comes next. So you can see this is the interface where it says Xampp for Windows. These are different versions that are used in Windows. So this is Xampp for Linux. These are different versions for Linux, and these are different versions for OS. So we are using Linux, so I'll go to this 8.2.0 version and let's download this. Let's wait for some time and go to the first tab, and here you can see your download. Your download will start shortly, and this will take around 5 seconds or something like that to start our downloads. So here it comes. I'll click on save file and then I'll click on OK. So here you can see it has started downloading. So let's wait for some time till it gets downloaded. So now here in this desktop, you can see I have downloaded the Xampp file. Now how to install this? So for that you have to go to the terminal, and here in this terminal let's first move to our desktop folder. Let's list all the items here. So here you can see this is the Xampp Linux file which we have downloaded just now. Now let's change the permission. So right, see it's mod 775 /. Let's copy this. Now let's write sudo and then again /. Let's paste this and press enter. This is asked for the password of our computer, and let's give the password to it. So after waiting for some time, you can see this interface which says setup Xampp. Welcome to the Xampp setup wizard. So we'll click on forward. So here you can see different details about the Xampp. Let's click on forward and installation directory. Xampp will be installed to opt lamp. Let's click on forward, and here you can see it is ready to install. So after clicking on forward, you can see installing. So that's how we can install Xampp into our Linux. So this will take some time. Let's wait for that. Okay, finally we have finished installing Xampp on our Linux machine. That's how we install Xampp on Linux. I hope you all like this video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel and help me grow.